Cookie got cooked on the cookie sheet. Yeah.
Yeah, it's the Shopking. Yeah, it's Shopking time.
Yeah, it's the Shopking. Yeah, it's Shopking time.
What's going on, everybody? It's Shopking time. Today, we're gonna make custom Shopkins erasers.
Custom Shopkins erasers.
Yeah, you heard me right. Erasers.
Erasers.
I've got this special, amazing eraser clay. So we are gonna make some Shopkins molds out of Play-Doh, and then we're gonna stuff those molds with this eraser clay, and then we're gonna cook it. And then we're gonna have custom Shopkins erasers. Oh yeah, boy.
Oh yeah, boy.
Super excited.
Yeah, boy.
So Shopking, what are we doing?
Oh, you wanna be a part of this?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
I do. I'm your dad. Shopkins? Are we making eraser clay Shopkins?
We are making eraser clay Shopkins.
Yeah, awesome.
Alright, we're gonna get some Play-Doh out. So you take your Shopkin, you stick it in here like such, and then you remove it, and this has the basic shape of the front of Dolly Donut. And then we take the clay and we push it in there, and then we take the clay and cook it, and then it's gonna look like a Shopkin, hopefully.
Hopefully.
So we're not gonna surround the whole thing with it like we did that last time, and it would probably work better on something like this right here. That wouldn't really work very good because you're only getting the front half of it, basically. You understand? Okay, good. Alright, so I have chosen Clicky Mouse, Brittany Brownie, and Kia Keyboard. Take Clicky Mouse, squish it down in there, like so. Take the guitar, push it down like yo. So now we're gonna have to wait like 2 days for this Play-Doh to dry.
Really?
Then we will remove the Shopkins, and then we'll be able to pick out what kind of clay we want to stuff in here. Then when the clay gets the shape, we take the clay out, we put it in the oven, we cook it, and boom, we got Shopkins erasers.
Boom.
This is amazing or awesome?
Awesome.
Awesome!
Alright, well, it looks like our mold's dried, but we're having some cracking issues, so I'm not sure how this is going to work.
Wait, maybe since they're cracking, we could fill those cracks up with Play-Doh. And then we could take these out.
Maybe we could, but I don't got time for all that. So I'm just gonna see how they turned out, you know, huh? Just be careful. Okay, there's my keyboard. I mean, it looks okay. It's a little rough around the edges.
Mine looks great, except it's...
Well, be careful with it. Don't go crazy.
The ears aren't that good. I'm gonna do this one last.
Okay, Clicky Mouse.
Tambourine. Tambourine turned out okay.
Clicky Mouse has some problems with his face. Okay, so this is my keyboard, which was blue. I'm gonna try to make the keys sort of pink. I'm just sort of trying to push this clay down where I want it. Okay, so now I'm just sort of working this blue in. My mouse has pink ears now, and I guess I'm gonna give it a purple body.
Okay.
Alright, well, I'm not sure how well this one's gonna turn out for you, Bailey. Alright, I'm gonna open this up and see how this tambourine turned out.
Really? I wonder how my tambourine turned out.
Oh, it's sticking to it. Yeah, that doesn't look anything like it. Uh-oh, now I'm worried about all of them.
The donuts let's see how this one turned out. Yeah, mine's pretty good.
I don't know about you, but I think I would call this experiment a failure. Well, I think my Clicky mouse turned out okay.
And my donut turned out okay.
And I think my keyboard turned out okay.
Where's
Let me
mine?
see that knife.
Right here. And you can make little lines on them.
You know what? I'm gonna try to make a cool cube. Boom! Cool cube. Perfect. And I need to make feet. I'm gonna make a cookie. Oh, she's got blue feet. That's a little better.
How about mine?
Oh, cool. Cool. Cube. Alright. Little chips. Cookie. Cool cube. Clicky mouse. Keyboard. Cheesy. And Dolly Donut. Cool, she even put a tail on that.
Alright, and so the next step here is to bake on even-proof glass or metal surface at 250 degrees for 20 minutes per 1/4 inch of thickness.
Okay, I got our erasers out of the oven. Oh yeah, here's Clicky Mouse. I put it on a pencil, just like a real eraser. Oh, you know what we need now? We need a pencil so we can write something and see if we can erase it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Hey, Cookie. Hey, Cheesy. Everybody's dying. So let's draw. Okay, since I'm the Shop King, we will draw a crown. Shop King. Okay, Shop King. Now let's see if I can erase any of it.
It doesn't work at all.
It's not erasing.
Don't try mine, because I don't want them to get ruined.
It's a fail. It's an old-fashioned fail. I mean, it works better than something that's not an eraser, you know? Do you know what I mean?
No.
Like this. See? It's working better than that. So it kind of erases, but not that great. I think these little cookie bites out of her are so perfect. I guess we could draw eyes on with a marker. This might turn out terrible. I might ruin them.
I don't need to use the marker. Are you doing it? Let me see.
There.
It looks funny.
You look funny.
Make his little wiggly eyebrows. Because he's crying. You didn't make wiggly eyebrows.
Oh, I made them the best I could. And I'll give them a smile.
Wiggly.
There. Cool
It
kid.
looks ridiculous.
You look ridiculous! Alright, now I'm going to ruin Cookie. I think they turned out okay. Alright, well there's a There are our custom Shopkins erasers. Well, these are kind of fun to make. Super bright. But the erasing, like, they don't erase that great. But still, it's pretty fun. And you actually cook them. You throw them in the oven on a cookie sheet and cook them, and they're cool.
Hey, Cookie got cooked on a cookie sheet.
Cookie got cooked on a cookie sheet. Yeah.
Cookie got cooked on a cookie sheet. Yeah.
I said it.
You did. Alright, everybody. Thanks for watching. Click the thumbs up. Post a comment. Which one is your favorite? And we will see you on the next video.
Bye.